Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every single Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed, and click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. There, now I have everything that YouTube requires me to say out of the way. We're going to have a raggedy ass ragu today. All right, as you can see in my pot, I've got 3 tablespoons of olive oil. To that, I added 2 carrots that I diced up, a small onion that I diced up, and 1 celery stalk that I diced up. If you want to add a couple sprigs of rosemary, feel free. And then you just want to stir this around and cook this for about 7 to 8 minutes. And after the 7 or 8 minutes, you want to add about 1 pound to 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Chop that up and let that cook in the vegetables. And then when that's done, takes about 5-6 minutes or so, then you want to drain it and return the pot to the heat. All right, now it's time to deglaze with some white wine. You want about 1/2 cup. I think I went with a little bit more. I think I went with closer to 3/4 cup. And then just let this do its work for about a minute. It'll get up all that wonderful bits of fond on the bottom of the pan. If for whatever reason you don't want to use wine, you can use pretty much any liquid. Chicken stock, beef stock, veggie stock, or even just water. And once the wine's done deglazing, add our meat and veggie mix back in. Give it a stir around, let some of the wine get incorporated into it. And now it's time to add about 2 tablespoons worth of tomato paste. Then give that a quick stir around. And then we want to have a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Or if you want it a little thinner, tomato sauce is perfectly fine, but I like mine a little chunky. Give that a quick stir around as well. And then last but not least, we need about 2 tablespoons of butter. And then you want to let this melt and then turn the heat on low and simmer this for about 35 minutes or so. At some point, get some water on, salt the water. Once the water's boiling, salt that water, cook your pasta 1 minute less than the package directions, and we should be ready to be set up. And through the magic of cooking show editing, our raggedy ass ragu is done. So grab some rigatoni, put a little bit on top, and that's that. Raggedy ass ragu. Done.